point of this video and the reason why I'm doing this podcast in the car is just because last night I was talking to the guys in the HQ and we're all going over our goals and our plans for the next year and 3 to 5 years. Speaking of the 3 to 5 years, 2.5 years ago, I did a podcast with Defund Simping, and I'll pull up the clip right here.
But the last thing I'll ask you before we can head out, what's like the goal with this brand the next 4 or 5 years?
I definitely want to just simply create a community of men just like every other content creator, but also
Yeah, true.
I definitely want to do something more in person in the future. You know, I want to teach guys how to fight. I want to teach guys how to do certain things like tactical situations, how to be men, how to build, how to create businesses. You know, I want to do more in-person things, not always online. I kind of want to do something like how Elliot Holst did. He did a gym and then he started doing content creation. So I kind of want to do something like that, you know, where guys can work out, we could fight, we could talk. I think that'd be pretty awesome.
The reason why this clip is so meaningful and so important to me and to all of the guys within the Brotherhood and all the guys who listen to the podcast, if you guys have been around for this long, is that I always had big goals for Alphas Only Club. I always had big dreams for the Brotherhood, and I always knew that I was going to make that shit happen. And the question he asked me was, what is your plan with the brand, aka Alphas Only Club, for the next 3 to 5 years? What's your 3 to 5 year plan? And I told him my plan was I wanted to create a community of like-minded men, but I wanted to do more things in person. I didn't want to just do stuff online. I wanted to train guys, you know, martial arts. I wanted to train guys important life skills, training obviously with like tactical situations, and you know, just keeping guys in that bubble, even creating a gym as well. So not only did I accomplish all of the things I said I was going to do, right? We've done some of the most craziest events. Even guys from the war room who come to my events even say the shit that I pulled off is absolutely incredible. So not only was I able to do that within 2.5 years, but I was also able to do it at the age of 20 years old, which is fucking nuts. So that should be some motivation for you guys as well. Even though when I said those things, I was not in a position of abundance. I didn't have a bunch of money. I didn't have all of these things. I didn't even have that many followers as I do now. But I had big dreams, I had big visions, and I knew exactly what I wanted. And I was really, really clear on what I wanted. Fail and people start out with their brands or whatever, they always fail and they always crash and burn, or they disappear and go do some other stuff because they're trying to just do it for money, or they're doing it for clout, or they're doing it for fame, whatever. And when they don't get those things, they give up, right? And I was telling my guys at the house last night that that cannot be your reason for doing things, right? You can't be doing things for women. You can't be doing things for money, because you chase those things, and when you don't get it, you're going to be unhappy. Or if you don't get the amount that you are expecting, you're going to be unhappy, right? And all those things are fake anyway, bro. So it doesn't really matter. But the really thing that matters is your mission and purpose, your reasoning why you're doing that thing in the first place, right? The reason why I created Alphas Only Club, because I wanted guys to get good with girls. But not only that, I wanted guys to become better versions of themselves. And everyone who knows how the podcast started, it literally started from me walking up and talking to chicks and having fun with chicks. So it started from something that was so not that important to something that is absolutely important, which is becoming a better version of yourself. Because just getting girls and talking to girls is, yeah, it's easy. Anyone could do that, right? Especially if you read Corey Wayne's books and all these other books, it's very easy to do it. But the biggest thing is like your reasoning why, because that's what's going to last forever. Not the money, not the girls, not the fame, not the clout, none of that bullshit. It's what is within you that's going to last forever, and having those core values and beliefs. Because here's the thing, when I said that statement of I wanted to create a community of guys in person, I wanted to train and have guys train and do martial arts together and live together and do all these cool things together, do a gym. Literally a few months after that, I got canceled, and a bunch of people, including my family, were telling me to stop making my videos and stop making my content, and to literally stop doing what I was doing and put it aside to go get a job, because I wasn't making any money. right? But now they're all supporting me, right? Now I'm driving $250,000 cars, and I have my own house at 20 years old, and now they're all supporting me. It's funny how that works, right? All the teachers who tried to cancel me, everyone who said it wasn't going to work out, they're all gone. They don't say shit, right? But if my reasoning was for money and my reasoning was all these fake things and all these hollow and shallow things, then I wouldn't be here, right? And in any business, you're going to come across really, really difficult struggles or difficult times. And so your mission and purpose and your job as the founder or the CEO of your company is to look at the big picture, to look at the vision. So even if your company is losing money, even if your business is not doing the numbers that you want it to do, if the reasoning for your business is so strong, you're gonna persevere, and you're gonna push through those hard times, and that's why those businesses last forever, right? Because they have their mission, purpose. That's it. That's all they focus on. Everything else that comes, it's just a bonus. Okay? And a lot of people who look at the numbers of things might not realize it, that might not be the best idea. The guys who are just purely logical, that are just purely looking at the numbers, you can't do the math on this shit. Because there's so many guys I know who are really good at math, and they look at these numbers and they're like, that doesn't make sense, there's no way. But there's one thing that they're always missing, and it's simply having in the abundance mindset. You can't put that into calculations. And I guarantee when you have the abundance mindset, shit just falls into place. Any entrepreneur, any business owner, they know this. Shit just falls into place. Of course, you have to be smart and you have to have the right systems in place. But the biggest thing, and the thing that leads, the tip of the spear, is your mindset towards everything. That's it, bro. That's literally it. So if you have the wrong mindset and the wrong outlook on things, then shit's gonna get fucked up. And it is what it is. But yeah, I wanted to make this video to kind of motivate you guys and to show you guys that anything is fucking possible. And the only thing that's gonna stop you is yourself. If I told myself I couldn't do those things, I would have never done it before. You know, I even told myself I wouldn't be able to become a millionaire while I was in the military. That's a fucking lie. Anyone can do that shit, bro. Anyone can do that shit. No matter how much limited time you have, whatever your circumstance, it should not stop you. I mean, even Justin Waller, someone asked him like, hey, I'm having a kid. Is this going to stop me from becoming a millionaire? I think this is. And it's like, if that's what you believe, then yeah, that's going to be true. If you believe that you cannot be successful because you have a kid, then yeah, that's on you. But the funny thing is, even I've met tons of guys who have kids who are super successful millionaires after the fact they had kids, but they were broke when they had kids. So it all depends on your mindset, bro. It doesn't matter what your circumstances, where you're born, your race, whatever the fuck. The only thing that fucking matters is your mindset towards things. And that's the biggest reason why it's so important to have like-minded men around you. Because if you are ever in a time where your mindset's not on point, your mindset's not on lock, you need guys around you to hold you accountable. You need guys around you who are going to tell you, no, bro, it is fucking possible. You can do it, right? And that's the beautiful thing about the brotherhood. Whenever people share their ideas, everyone in there is supportive. Everyone in there is trying to make money and grow together. That's the difference. No one's competing with each other. Everyone's trying to lift each other up. And when you're in that environment, anything is fucking possible, right? So all the guys who are at the HQ, dude, they have the best opportunity to live with me and other successful guys who are all doing what they want to do. They get to do whatever they want to do, and they get to grow their brands, they get to grow their businesses, and they get to collaborate with other people, and it's fucking awesome. So that's the biggest thing, is all these people have huge potential. Everyone has huge potential, but they fucking waste it because they surround themselves with average motherfuckers, right? Or they don't believe in themselves. It's like, I know so many people who have such good skills, more skills than me, more life experience than me, but the only thing that separates them and me is they don't believe in themselves. It's fucking sad. It's like, wow, I guarantee if you believed in yourself as much as I believe in myself, you'd be making way more money than me. And I know it, right? So it's just sad. But the thing is, not many people have that self-confidence, and not many people trust themselves. Not many people want to bet on themselves because they don't believe in themselves. So my message for you guys, if you're watching this video or listening to this podcast, because I'm going to put this on Spotify, is to simply believe in yourself, because anything is possible. And you can accomplish things a lot sooner than you think. And I guarantee I could accomplish my goal, even though I said I wanted that to happen within 3 to 5 years, and I accomplished it in half that time. I guarantee I could have accomplished it in half of the time I already did, if I pushed and doubled down even fucking harder, if I invested more money, and if I put in the right team much sooner. So anything is possible, but the biggest thing is, how soon do you want to make it happen as well, right? A lot of people have this goal, oh, I want to be successful, I want to be rich, but it's like, by when? By what date do you want to have this happen? And having an I don't know, oh, it depends type of answer is not good enough, bro. You need to have definite fucking dates and times, or the bitches ain't coming, the money ain't coming, the business ain't happening. Those plans, those goals are not fucking happening unless you have a certain date and time of when you're going to make it happen and what you need to accomplish within that period of time that you said. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of me talking to defund simping from a while back, and use that as motivation for your guys' selves as well. And I want to say thank you to all the people and all the brothers and every single member of Alpha's Only Club who were a part of this journey. And I want to say thank you to all the boys in the Brotherhood who are putting the work in themselves, because that's the only way you guys can help me, is if you put the work into yourselves and you guys become a walking testimonial for what I say, for what Corey says, and what all these other people say. That is literally the only way you can help us. And not only are you going to help us, but you're going to help those around you and help yourself. That is the ultimate way. So this should be your guys' motivation to help yourselves and to grow and put as much effort as you can in yourselves. Bet on yourselves, and don't let anyone tell you can't. And if you do, then you're a fucking pussy. Don't listen to anyone. Don't listen to your teachers. Don't listen to people of authority. Don't listen to your fucking retarded ass doctors telling you to get dumbass shots. Yes, I'm going on a rant, but don't listen to these motherfuckers. They're all fake. It's bullshit. Don't watch the news. It's retarded. The biggest thing that you should look for and trust the right person is, do I want to be like this person, yes or no? That's it. And most of the time, I was always listening to people that I didn't want to be like. But they tell you that you need to listen to these people. It's like, why? This bitch is fucking single. She's a cat lady and an English teacher. I don't want to be like that. Fuck that. But she's out here telling me I'm retarded. Yeah, okay, bud. Okay. If you guys feel like you're lost, you guys feel like you guys need help with things, make sure you guys reach out to my Instagram page. I'm always getting messages from guys, and I love to read your guys' messages. If you guys need help with literally anything when it comes to health, wealth, relationships, reach out to me. Before you make any big decisions, hit me up, ask me what you think, whatever. Because I want to help you guys. I want to help you guys become successful, and I want to lead you guys down the right path, and I want to help you guys not make the same mistakes I did, because I guarantee I could be a lot further ahead in my journey if I knew what to do. So if you guys don't know what to do, the easiest thing you guys can do is just fucking ask for help, and I'll be there to fucking help you guys. But if you guys want more accountability, you guys are already a business owner, you guys are already an entrepreneur, you guys already are on the path, you guys know what you want to do, join the Brotherhood. It's the best place for you to join. Every single guy in there knows what they want to do. Every single guy in there is working towards their craft, and they're mastering it every single fucking day. If you feel like that's you, then go to alphasonlyclub.com and you guys can apply, and we'll filter out who we think is a good fit or not, and we'll hit you up, and yeah, we can start the process there. Now, I do have some videos coming soon, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a fire-ass vlog. It's going to be everything you guys have missed out on in the past 2-3 months, because I've been kind of ghost when it comes to posting videos and podcasts. But a lot of this shit's been going on behind the scenes. I want to keep you guys updated. I want to flex on you guys. I want to inspire you guys. I want to show you guys what's possible. So you guys are going to see what the fuck's going on. I'll show you guys what we've been doing at the house. I'll show you guys the cars I've been driving and the businesses we've been starting with the other guys as well. So a lot of good stuff, a lot of good learning opportunities, a lot of good inspiration. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be posting that vlog soon. Love you boys, and I'll see you guys next time.